Right, that's it. Now I'm going to prove to you that this microwave is going up. Okay, you can see it's on there. That says 4, right? Okay, I originally put it on 2 and it's now here. You didn't see that bit, but now I'm just going to show you how this microwave, instead of going down, the dial is actually going up. I will wait until it goes beyond 8. It's not my imagination. Let it keep going. You can even go to 9. Because I'm not gonna question myself anymore with this silly microwave. It's a naughty microwave, isn't it, Ducky? It started off earlier today at just after 2 minutes. Okay, there you go. I'm going to let it carry on. And there's water there, so it can boil away. The knob is at the bottom of the time. Microwave, the time goes up rather than down. Very funny. Caught you. See? Carry on. Water's bubbling away in there. It's cleaning the microwave. See, it's nearly 9. It's supposed to be going 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and it's going 7, 8, 9. Let it go after 9, and I'm going to stop it. There.